Welcome to Archiesense. Nestled in the beautiful landscape of Durango, Colorado, Lean 3 is a home designed by Cavin Costello of the Ranch Mine. Inspired by the simplicity of lean-to building design, the name Lean 3 describes the three main volumes of the home, designed to provide comfort, functionality, and a deep connection to the natural world. The project reflects the client's lifestyle of loving nature, cycling, and cooking, while also fulfilling their need for a home that supports adventure and quality dining. The structure of the home is designed to fit into the contours of the terrain, creating harmony with its natural surroundings. The sloping roof is designed to capture mountain views from the living room and master bedroom, while channeling rainwater and snowmelt runoff into the pool below. The home's exterior incorporates warm wood elements from Delta millworks, metal accents, and stacked stone veneer, creating a modern blend that remains closely tied to the rustic aesthetic. The home consists of three main sections: the garage and bike shop, the master suite, and the bedrooms. The three sections are connected by small spaces, including an entryway, storage space, and a large wine cellar designed specifically to house their wine collection. The garage provides ample space for cycling gear, while the backyard is a culinary haven, complete with a pizza oven, smoker, outdoor fireplace, and covered dining area for sharing the fruits of one's labor.